Chapter 36. Ravana attacks. Ravana exited the eastern gate of Lanka atop his fearsome pushpaka Vamana and, accompanied by a platoon of his finest warriors, the demon king unleashed an onslaught that decimated the Vanara army before him. With each astra released from his bow, thousands of forest dwellers perished in agony. Ravana's demon guard cut a path through the brave but hopelessly outmatched enemy as they protected their king. Sugriv charged forward to confront the demon lord. He hurled a massive boulder towards Ravana, but the Rakshasa destroyed it in midair. Ravana then unleashed another astra at Sugriv that hurled the monkey king into the air and left him on the ground writhing in pain. Hanuman made his way towards Ravana's Vamana. He leapt into the air and delivered a powerful blow to the demon king's face. Ravana countered with a blow of his own, and then another that sent the noble Hanuman tumbling to the ground. Ravana was staggered by the force of Hanuman's attack, but recovered in time to face an assault from the Ayodhya prince, Lakshmana. Lakshmana unleashed a volley of powerful astras, one of which broke Ravana's bow. The demon lord picked up a spear and hurled it through the air, striking the prince down. Ram was engaged in battle with Ravana's demon army at the southern gate when Vibhishan pointed out the royal carriage of Ravana in the distance. Ram felt his rage growing. For the first time, he had set eyes on the abductor of Sita. He made his way towards Ravana. Hanuman carried the unconscious Lakshmana to safety. When he saw Ram arrive, he offered to carry the prince into battle to offset the advantage Ravana's Vamana gave him, the advantage of striking from a height. Ram accepted the offer and began his assault on the demon king. And, for the first time, Ravana looked upon Ram. A bolt like lightning struck the demon king on the chest. Ravana composed himself and launched a counterattack from a fresh bow, releasing hundreds of astras against Ram. But the Prince of Ayodhya neutralized all of his attacks and replied with an even more powerful onslaught. Ravana's bow was shattered once more, and a successive astra shattered his crown. And for the first time in memory, the mighty king of Lanka was forced to retreat. Back in the safety of his palace, a shaken and desperate Ravana thought to himself, "Only one warrior can help me now." He shouted to his royal servants, "Wake Kumbhakana."
Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.